Welcome to Autoscope, your ultimate destination for in-depth car reviews. Today, we take a deep dive into the iconic American muscle car that just keeps getting better, the all-new 2025 Ford Mustang. The 2025 Ford Mustang pushes the boundaries of modern design while staying true to its muscle car roots. Its aggressive front fascia is dominated by a bold hexagonal grille, flanked by newly sculpted LED headlights. The sculpted hood features functional air vents that improve aerodynamics while enhancing the car's fierce presence. Moving to the side, the fastback roofline remains unmistakably Mustang, while new 20-inch alloy wheels and optional carbon fiber trims add a touch of modern performance. The rear sports a restyled bumper, signature tri-bar LED taillights, and an active quad exhaust system, giving it a performance-ready stance. Under the hood, the 2025 Mustang offers multiple powertrains to satisfy every driving enthusiast. The base model features a 2.3L EcoBoost engine producing 350 horsepower, while the legendary 5.0L Coyote V8 cranks out an exhilarating 500 horsepower in the GT trim. For the ultimate thrill, the Mustang Dark Horse Edition comes with a tuned 5.0L V8 generating 550 horsepower, paired with a Tremex 6-speed manual transmission or a 10-speed automatic for lightning-fast shifts. Launch control, adaptive suspension, and a new performance track mode guarantee an electrifying driving experience. Step inside the 2025 Mustang, and you're greeted by a tech-focused cockpit that blends sportiness with modern luxury. The new 12.4-inch fully digital driver display merges seamlessly with a massive 15.5-inch infotainment screen powered by Ford's latest S1C5 system. Standard features include wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a 12-speaker B&O sound system, and customizable drive modes. Ambient lighting and premium leather seats with heating, cooling, and memory functions ensure maximum comfort. Ford has equipped the 2025 Mustang with a comprehensive suite of safety features. The Co-Pilot 360 system includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system. For added peace of mind, the new blind spot information system with cross-traffic alert and rear parking sensors comes standard on higher trims. If you're as excited about the 2025 Ford Mustang as we are, hit that like button and subscribe to Autoscope for more expert car reviews. Let us know in the comments what feature of the new Mustang excites you the most. Thank you for watching Autoscope, where your car knowledge gets supercharged. See you in the next review.